First thing that comes to mind with Southern cooking is my Aunt Addie in Salisbury. She had a table that went on what seemed like for miles when I was a child, and continued to appear to be that even as I grew up to adulthood. But Southern being 3 meats, 3 sides, homemade yeast rolls, butter, several sticks of butter on the table, some fried foods, some congealed salads, some good, really good gravy.
One thing that when we say Southern cooking that I make clear is there's not just one Southern cooking. There's certain, I talk in the book about the core South, the core culture that you can find throughout the region, certain things that you find everywhere. And you find them with blacks, you find them with whites, you find them in the map, you find it everywhere in some fashion. And then you have these subcultures. And like preference for collards versus over turnips. You know, you have a collard belt.
First thing that comes to mind when I hear Southern cooking is soulful, comforting, memories, goodness, wholesomeness, harvest. Those are the things that come to mind for me. Love comes to mind. Those are the buzzwords, I believe. I think at a very young age I developed a good palate. I knew what was good, and I didn't know I knew what was good, you know, but I was trained by some good cooks in my family, so I made that connection, and I think that was the first spark. There was no real seriousness in it at all. It was just that, oh man, it's cool to be able to take a recipe and cook it, and it comes out right, you know. So that was my first sort of entry to the level.
And while I'm all about some fried food, there's so much more than, you know, a batter on the chicken or, you know, fried shrimp. I mean, there's so much more than fried food, and I think a lot of people think that's what, you know, Southern, and high fat. I mean, it doesn't have to have, you know, biscuits, fried chicken. A lot of that can be made in a really healthy way.